Glad you're here. Wanted to talk to you about new company rules that will affect you.
Oh no. I have a feeling I ain't gonna like this.
Hold on, hear me out. From now on, salaries will be based on your predicted success, not your past performance. We ran a computer model against your education and DNA information. We predict you will die in a stapler mishap within a week.
But wait a second. What if I disagree with this prediction?
That's fine, just write your opinion and staple it to the analysis.
Okay. Sounds fair to me.
I had a feeling you would think so. Good luck. By the way, it was nice knowing you.